Of all the natural hair growth remedies, aloe vera and coconut oil are two of the best. You'll notice that a lot of commercial products contain these ingredients because they're scientifically proven to strengthen the hair and help it to grow at a quicker rate. But rather than splashing out on an expensive hair care product, you can quite easily use these natural ingredients alone. They'll offer equal benefits at a fraction of the price. Let's take a look at the hair growth benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a short-stemmed plant originating from South Africa. It's favored for its medicinal uses and is effective in treating burns, improving digestive health, clearing acne, and, of course, promoting hair growth. It's thought that aloe vera gel can strengthen and repair hair strands thanks to its vitamins A, C, and E content. These vitamins promote healthy cell growth in hair, encouraging shine and preventing breakage. Aloe vera gel also contains vitamins B12 and folic acid, which prevent hair from falling out. Additionally, it can increase blood flow to the head, which can nourish hair follicles and provide them with the essential nutrients and oxygen for growth. So, how does coconut oil improve hair growth? Coconut oil is an edible oil extracted from the meat of mature coconuts. It's one of the best beauty products for helping hair to naturally grow longer, thicker, and faster. The vitamins and essential fatty acids found in coconut oil nourish the scalp and help to remove a buildup of oil from hair follicles. Aside from hair growth, coconut oil is also a great conditioner for hair. It's rich in lauric acid, which easily penetrates inside the hair shaft for a deeper clean. Coconut oil treatments have been found in research to prevent combing damage to various types of hair, which helps hair to stay healthier and thicker as a result. If you want to use coconut oil or aloe vera on hair, it's important to choose your ingredient wisely. With coconut oil, always aim for extra virgin coconut oil, as refined or processed coconut oil is often bleached or chemically processed to increase shelf life. Extra virgin coconut oil is the purest option of them all. With aloe vera, the best form is the most natural, the raw gel of the plant. You can buy this gel in almost any pharmacy, or if you have your own plant, you can extract it from the leaves by scooping it out. You can use coconut oil and aloe vera separately for noticeable hair growth results, or combined for the ultimate hair treatment. To use aloe vera for hair growth, here's what to do. Cut a leaf from a live aloe plant and carefully scoop out the gel, placing it into a bowl. Alternatively, take the raw gel you bought from the pharmacy. Rub the gel mixture directly onto your scalp and let it sit for at least an hour. Then rinse the gel from your hair and follow with a mild shampoo and condition. It's recommended that you repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week to help you get the most out of the ingredient. If you're using coconut oil for hair growth, follow this guide. Scoop a small amount of coconut oil into a bowl, then melt the oil to get it to a liquid consistency. Wait for the liquid to cool before gently massaging the oil onto your scalp. Wrap a towel around your head and leave the coconut oil in your hair for as long as possible. Leaving it overnight will give you the best results. To use a combined coconut oil and aloe vera treatment, here's the method to follow. In a bowl, mix 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 5 tablespoons of coconut oil until you get a smooth mixture. Massage this mixture into your scalp and work it through your hair until you've covered your whole head. Leave it on for at least half an hour and then wash it off. Repeat once a week for long-term hair growth benefits. So, are there any side effects of coconut oil and aloe vera? As a natural ingredient, coconut oil is generally considered safe to apply to your skin and hair. However, as you'd expect, using too much could cause a buildup of oil on your hair and scalp. This could make your hair greasy and dull, especially if your hair is very fine. Aloe vera leaves contain latex, which comes from underneath the plant's skin. If you're allergic to latex, you may experience reactions on the skin of your scalp, redness in your eyes, skin rashes, irritation, and burning sensation. To conclude, aloe vera and coconut oil are 2 of the best natural products you can apply to your hair. Purchased alone, they're a lot cheaper and purer than buying commercial products that contain them as ingredients, so you'll get more pronounced benefits for a smaller price tag. You can buy the best quality coconut oil and aloe vera gel here. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 15 clever uses of coconut oil. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.